TOY48 can directly get the code from the Toyota dock. Let's study how to operate. The decoder has 4 lifters. Decode the lock directly. No need to pick. It has 5 cuts. In a groove 4 tracks. Find woofer position by touching. No spongy, no woofer. The first, the third, the fifth is up. The second, the fourth is down. Pay attention. Use lifter A to decode group A. Keep pushing tension bar direction. The first is 5. The second is 1. The third is 5. The fourth is 3. The fifth is 3. Group A has 2 lifters. And then use lifter B to decode group B. Pay attention to the tension bar direction. The first woofer is 1. The second woofer is 1. The third is 3. The fourth is 1. The fifth is 3. A track 51533. B track 11313. This type is special. Don't need to pick the lock. Get the code directly. Click cut by beating. Input TOY48. It means keep blank number. Enter this option. This is guiding picture. How to install the key on the machine. Select the right key blank. It's near to the first line. Click continue. I input the code 51533 11313. If all ready, click cut. Continue cutting the key. Take your time. The cutting takes 15 minutes almost. Finish cutting both sides. Clean particles. Try to turn the lock. Nice cutting.